Who doesn't like an unboxing video? It's one of our Elite Audio specialities. We like to unbox things. We like to get boxes, we like to take Stanley 99Es and we like to cut them open and extract the contents of the box. I kind of liken it to a surgeon who is very skilled at his craft. We kind of surgically remove the contents of audiophile boxes to let you peruse and look at the contents. And here we have from the Danish manufacturer and well known in the UK, Densen. This is actually a very special device. It is an anniversary Densen power amplifier. In fact, it is the B305. It only comes in black. Each one of these is numbered. This one, as you can see, has a serial number of 17. There are only 25 of these available in the world. And you can own one of these beautiful amplifiers. It's a power amplifier. I think you can just see the contents there of the outer box. You see there's a branded Densen box in there too, which I've seen many times from Densen. I am now finished with the 99E, so this is the usual point where Grant sort of goes to the opposite end of the showroom and walks away. But I carefully place the hooks. Yes, I've done better. I'm slightly disappointed with that one. Right, to extract one of these, you need to tip it on its head, which you will just do. And as I'm doing so, I'll tell you a little bit more about this amplifier. So it is an 80 watt channel power amplifier into 8 ohms. And what I always like to see whenever manufacturers test these is that the power doubles into 4 ohms, as it does here. So this goes from 80 watts into 8 ohms into 160 watts into 4 ohms, which again gives you some kind of indication as to the engineering that's going behind it. The man behind it all, as you can see, is the man's name on this lifetime warranty, Thomas Sillison. I've met Thomas a few times. He's a man with great passion for all things audio. So much so that if you buy a Densen product, you will have a lifetime warranty. And that means lifetime, so as long as you own that Densen product and something goes wrong with it, even if it's 20 years from now, Densen will repair that for you completely free of charge. I'm going to now extract this amplifier from its box. And again, it's very tightly packaged. I'm just going to put that back in there. There are a pair of Densen gloves. You could wear these, I guess, on a night out, or if you were a pianist. Do pianists wear gloves? No. And this is not going to come off very easily. There we go. I'll try to remove that as carefully as I possibly can without doing any damage. And again, Densen are one of those companies that believe in firmly wrapping their products extremely tightly. I'm just going to get the tape off the bottom here. There we go. There here as well. You can actually see the outputs in the back, which we've got single-ended inputs on this side, and then we've got outputs which will allow you to buy wire if that was your requirement. As you can see here, serial number 17. There are only 25 of these made, so this is number 17 of 25, and the normal retail price on this is a thing of beauty actually. The thing I like about Densen products, you can see on the top there, it actually is numbered anniversary number 17 of 25, so you can see just what we're talking about. These retail normally just under £1,900. Now we've unboxed this, so technically it's not brand new, although it's not being used, but we have opened the box and we have taken it out. So to own number 17 of 25, we will give you a special offer in this unboxing video. You can have this amplifier for £999. So, and it will be this actual one, number 17 of 25. If you want to buy this, if you want something that's inherently musical, that will fit in nicely with almost any preamplifier, or even a source that has a volume control, and you want something that will give you very palpable dynamic range, that is from the lowest frequencies to the highs, beautifully coherent and I guess the one thing I do like about the Densen power amps is they create fantastic separation. So when you listen to a musical piece, you'll find there's that bit more air and space perhaps than you've been used to. The lifetime warranty is amazing, so you can buy this amplifier, run it for the rest of its life and know that it's never going to cost you anything if something goes wrong. And that is something Densen do put their money where their mouth is. We have had the occasional product failure with Densen, no more than any other manufacturer. The thing I like about it is it goes back to them, they fix it, comes back free of charge, and the customer gets it back again, all working, all perfect, at zero cost. And that again speaks volumes for a company. It shows that they genuinely care about their client base. So there you go, the Densen B305 anniversary power amplifier. You've seen us unbox it. It's a beautiful piece of equipment. We've had these before and they sound fantastic. If you want to own this actual one that we've just unboxed, it's number 17 of 25, £999 and it can be yours. It's normally £1,899. So that's a very, very, very good unboxing offer. And you can then keep the video to go along with your amplifier for a bit of provenance in the future if you ever come to sell it. And you know that we actually used your actual power amplifier in one of the Elite Audio videos. So there you go. Thanks for watching today. Please sign up for our newsletter from our website. Please follow us on social media. We have lots of great musical posts, posts about new products, reviews, always on our social media. It's a really interactive place to be. There's lots of people comment and post, and we love to interact. Connie is the person who looks after that, so if you want to have a chat about anything to do with Elite Audio or just chat about music in general or any of the products that we sell, it's a great place to be. It's very sociable and we love to interact with you as often as we possibly can. So thanks again for watching the unboxing video and we hope to see you again very soon.